2025 Prelim Tao School Paper 2, Question 10. The figure shows two rectangular tanks X and Y. At first, tank X contained 432 cubic centimeter of water and tank Y was empty. Water dripped at a rate of 3 centimeter cube per second from a leaking tap at the bottom of tank X into tank Y. How long did it take for the height of the water level in tank Y to be 3 centimeter above that of tank X? Okay, now we know that the volume of water is 432, and then the height of water in tank X is 9 centimeter. Okay, we can find the base area of tank X. Okay, now a little bit of recap here. Volume is equals to length times breadth times height. Okay, length and breadth here will give us the base area. So base area of tank X is 432, which is volume divided by the height of the water. Okay. .48 centimeter squared. So this is 48 centimeter squared. Okay, we also know the base area of tank Y, which is 3 times 8. This is 24 centimeter squared. Okay. Now we want the water level in tank Y to be 3 centimeter above that of tank X. So some water is going to drip out from tank X. Okay, and it's going to reach a height of X centimeter. Okay, and it's going to drip into tank Y, and the height is going to be X plus 3. Alright, now we know the total volume is 432. So let's work this out. Volume of water in tank X will be base area 48 multiplied by X. Okay, plus volume of water in tank Y, which is base area 24, multiplied by the height of the water, which is X plus 3. Okay, now let's expand this. Oh, no, before we expand, this is 432, the total volume of water. Now we can do our expansion. 48x plus 24x plus 72 equals to 432. So 72x equals to 432 minus 72. That's my x, okay? 432 minus 72 equals to 360 divided by 72. So x equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. And this is 5 plus 3, so it's 8 centimeter. Now the water in tank X is going to drop to 5 centimeter from the original 9 centimeter. So do we know what's the height that drops for tank X? Yeah, it's from the original 9 minus 5, which is 4 centimeter. The height of water in tank X dropped by 4 centimeter. Okay. Now with that, we can calculate the amount of water leaked out from tank X. We just have to take the base area, which is 48, divided by 4 centimeter. There's 192 cubic centimeter of water. Alright, we have one final step. Water drip at the rate of 3 cubic centimeter per second. We want to know how long it takes. Okay, for the water level to drop 4 centimeter. So all we have to take is to find time taken Let's take the volume of water that leaked out divided by 3 cubic centimeter per second. Okay, that's 64 seconds. Alright, that's our answer. 64 seconds. It took 64 seconds for the height of the water level in tank Y to be 3 centimeters above that of tank X.